This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
What's up, YouTube? Got me and my boy Dominic right here. What's up, Dominic? Say hi.
Hi.
Just got a package dropped off from UPS. And what we got here is my BBK cat deletes. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Alright, that's one. This will bolt up to the bottom of the header. Then this will come down and then bolt up to the X pipe right here. Alright. And this is the other one. Let's see what else is in here. BBK need help, no problem. Some more BBK stickers. Some dirty, greasy, grimy hardware. And a BBK parts catalog, I'm assuming. Alright, next time you see these bad boys, they'll be on the car. You don't have to use this, but it makes it a lot easier. You just slip this over the wire. Kind of hard to do with one hand. And then you do it like that. Alright, I soaked them in some penetrating oil, but it still might be a little tough. I got a breaker bar on here to break it loose. But you want to make sure you don't crack them O2 sensors, or you'll be spending some money getting some new ones. Okay, I got it loose. Now you just want to unscrew this and set it to the side. Don't want to touch the ends of those. Then you want to do the same to the other side. Alright, got them both busted loose. Then what I do is I stick it up here so it's out the way. Next, you want to get a 13 millimeter and bust those loose. That one and that one. Hit a little bit of penetrating oil on there to loosen the bolts and let it sit for a little bit. Right, that bottom bolt right there on the passenger side, you want to come from the top to get it. Now that gave me all kind of problems getting that bolt. So what you want to do is get you as many extensions as you have so you could come up here and get to it. I probably used a half a can of this on there and let it soak. And then I had to go give me some of these bolt extractors. Bolt extractors right here. Like, I stripped the mess out of this bolt trying to get it out. Once you got all the bolts loose, just drop it down. And then the same way you took it off, be the same way you put it on. Man, this shit don't even work. Unbelievable. BBK on BBK and nothing's lining up. This bad boy back. I hope I don't have to pay for the return shipping, because that'll be some bullshit, but off the return. Alright, we got some dirty, greasy looking bolts again. We got one pipe. Shit, it already looked damaged. Look at this here. Two pipes. And the same old stuff as in the last box. This is bothering me right now. I'm gonna see if I can get a pair of pliers and bend that out. BBK ain't shit. Alright, got a pair of vice grips and I bent it out a little bit. So it's better than what it came. So hopefully this will seal tight against the X pipe. Let me check these bolts, because the last time they sent me bolts, the washer didn't even fit on the bolt. Hold on, do this. Too hard to do with one hand. Alright, well at least the washer fits this time. Like I said before, the last time the washer didn't even fit on the bolt. So, alright, let's get this bad boy back on the car again. Your bolts in, coming from behind. Get your bolts in. Then put your gasket in. And then bolt it up. Put your gasket in. Just want to do it finger tight for now. Now you want to do the other side. Remember, you come from up top to get the bolt. So I'm going to say you put it in this way on this side. And on this side you come in this way. Well, that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, got both sides on finger tight. Next you want to put your X pipe on. Alright, what you want to do is if you're by yourself, to get some kind of support or something to hold the X pipe up. Slide it on the ends, finger tight it. Then once you got it on, everything connected up, we just want to come back and tighten all the bolts down. Got to bolt it up to the headers. Check. Check. O2 sensors in. Check. Clamps tight. Everything's tight. Alright, let's get this bad boy on the ground. Good. so they can fix all these leaks. Man, this BBK shit got more leaks than a Hollywood sex tape. Off to the muffler shop.
Yeah, we're not making sure you have to turn it off. What's up? We're busy in the meeting.
Alright, there you go. You had the sound clip. It's a lot louder without the cats on. A lot more fumes. I still like them Rousers, the way they sound at idle. Like pulling into a parking lot or whatnot, you know, you would turn heads because they just sounded mean when you was going slow or just at idle. Where these still are kind of quiet, but it's loud as hell. Thought these cats on when you opened it up. So, there you go. Boom.